Welcome to Lakeshore RV Center. My name's April Welch, and if you've been waiting for the best price ever on an Outback 328 rear living travel trailer, here's the greatest deal ever. Let's go take a look at this beautiful Outback, now on clearance. Travel trailers often lack outside storage, not this bad boy. Pull-out tray. We've got power stabilizer jacks all on this unit. Huge power awning, not one, but two, and LED lights built into the arm rails. Let's go inside and see more. Welcome into the 328 RL Outback. This unit has 3 slide outs, dinette table and chairs, recliners, great tri-fold sleeper sofa, huge electric fireplace to keep you warm and toasty and entertained with this monster size TV, 3-burner cooktop, creative storage in small spaces, and the coolest feature, double RV gas and electric refrigerators. If you're looking at staying somewhere this winter for 4 or 5 months, this unit is equipped for you. Tankless water heater, AC built in. Let's go look at the master bathroom and bedroom. Take a look at this big bathroom. We actually have a linen closet, neo angled shower, high raised ceilings to make it a little easier on the taller guys. Porcelain, foot flush toilet, and behind us a king size bed awaits. Look at this king size bed. Lifts up for storage, and yes, that's a pet kennel, so Fido's welcome to stay with us. Huge wardrobe closet. Yes, this is washer dryer prep, and it's ready for a second AC. If you want to save more and learn more, Lakeshore RV is the place to do it. Check us out at lakeshore-rv.com. Give us a call at 231-788-2040. And if you want to learn how to make this your camper, ask for April.